Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I am going to show how to create categories in WordPress. So you can see this is my website. Here you can see there is a page named blog. I will add categories for the blog. So at first go to admin dashboard and then create a categories. Click on the post and click on the categories. For example, I am going to add a premium pack as a category and then click on the add new category. Okay, my category is ready. Now I am going to add a post. I will add premium pack design and paste some information for description. Now add some images. Okay, click on the post and select the category and then publish. Okay, my page is published. Now go to appearance, click on the menus and add the categories to the menu section. And adjust the categories below to the blog and then save menu. So you can see header menu has been updated. Let's check it on the website. So you can see it will added a category named premium pack. Click on it. So you can see the post is in the category. That's all for today. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.